It is a very uncertain event because of the world certain uncertainties is going on. So we are a bit confused whether we will be able to do this exhibition. Finally, it has been through, and we see a lot of crowds, specifically the local pharmaceuticals industry, and as well as the students and the academicians all gathered in the morning. We saw them. It's a good turnover. We expected more participation from the other countries, but still we are happy that 400 companies has participated.
All right.
So the next year we'll be doing something better.
Yeah, inshallah. So I would like to know, what opportunities do you see for collaboration between like Asian countries in terms of regulatory affairs to expand our exports?
Well, unless the regulatory is cleared, we cannot do the export to any country, especially the highly regulated country. So we need a bridge to improve our pharmaceutical industry up to the level so that they can get the accreditation. So in the next year, we are thinking that if we can basically invite the regulators to visit here, to see some industry, give some guidance to our industry so that more company can come up with the capability and the capacity to pass in the accreditation. So that will be the gateway. Once it is done, the export will be higher, and the collaborations between Europe and the Asia will be much better.
All right. So one last thing I would like to know, what role does innovation play in improving global healthcare access actually? What do you think? What's your insights on that?
It's a basically very expensive area. So innovation demands a lot of investment. This environment we don't have because the market is not that big. But we can definitely collaborate, and we can participate in different form, like the clinical trial areas, to some extent the stability areas, to some extent the backward integrations. All this area will be able to contribute. But in true terms, the innovation, that's basically, it's still too far for us. But we can do definitely reverse engineering and collaborations with their innovations. Yeah, and that has already been done, like the vaccines for the diarrhea. It is developed in collaboration with ICDDLB, with the Sweden companies. So there are some of the examples are there where Bangladesh was collaborating, but not the industry. Now we are trying that industry should collaborate.